My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and you're right. I'm still at River Island State Park, and today we're going to be talking about the day use areas. Currently, the day use is closed, unfortunately. I'll show you guys the sign up front, but you know what? I still want to show you the day use area because it's $10 to get into the park. It's awesome to come here and use the day use areas. It's beautiful landscape and area, so feel free to come here and use your state park, use the state facilities. So let's go ahead and do it. Sorry, the sun is like right in my eyes. Oh well. So let's talk about, here's where the state park information is. They usually have a bulletin board which tells you, the current date, or the current temperature, wind speed. As you can see, they haven't been here since June-ish time frame. So it kind of shows you about the rules of the state park for emergencies, and then it's got the after hours pay station and all that type of good stuff. So as you can see, they also have a little store which is unfortunately closed at this time. Here's the day use information. You fill out the self-pay, $10 per vehicle. Currently day use is closed, because of COVID. Look at how pretty. Wow. It's really beautiful here. Really nice. Now to show you the day use area, we're gonna go down to the boat loading dock. Come on, Athena. That's the ranger area in there. It's a no-go for us because that's permanent residence. This is the parking for the day use / boat area. Look at how beautiful though, the scenery, really. I mean, my goodness. You're basically surrounded by all these, the rocky formations on both sides in the campground, which is nice. And it even shows you there. Use the launch ramp only, requires use fee or annual permit. But this is the boat ramp. I don't want to walk all the way down it, but you can see it's a very boat ramp-like. Goes straight down into the water there. There's the water line. And then that over there is River Island. And then that across there, that's California. So we're standing in Arizona, but the river is literally cutting the line between Arizona and California. So we're actually looking at California right now. But this is the boat ramp. And then this is the day use area in here. So you can see it has picnic table, plenty of parking. Athena, come this way. And even a little grill for your day use needs. As you can see, nobody's currently using this. People just use it to dry off their, multitude of things. But it's mostly not used.